Hi, my name is Julio Alayna from Bloomer's Home and Garden Center, and here I am today with Alayna. And Alayna and I are going to show you how to take care of this sunflower, and not only take care of it, but pruning it is important too. So we're going to go a little bit over that as Alayna does all the work. And to start off, what we're going to do is we want to clean this plant up. It's a little raggedy right now, and it needs a little touch up. So what you want to do is you want to start getting all the dead leaves out and start pruning them, and then that way it'll start to look a little better. And we're going to thin it out too, so it'll get more air involved in the center of this, and you'll see what she's going to do at this point as she's taking some of those dead leaves off and making sure that it's getting some sun inside and not getting clogged up with all the leaves. There's some leaves that get in the way, so it needs to be cut because then you can't see the actual flower. So that you want to do. Now this sunflower is not the regular type of sunflowers which you see that grow 6 feet tall or taller. This is more for to put in a pot, and this will continuously flower all the way through the summertime. So you're going to have to actually fertilize it every 10 days or so with a water-soluble fertilizer. We carry jacks here, and that's what we use, and we think that's one of the best ones to fertilize with. It really has a lot of nutrients that other brands don't have. Now she's also cutting away some of those dead flowers and making it a little neater. As you can see, it's starting to take shape a little bit. This will continuously flower, as you can see all the buds coming in, the new buds. Yeah. And so you want to give them sunshine and not be covered by those big leaves. So when you're fertilizing it, like I said, you're doing it like every 10 days or so. Make sure you water it right through the pot and it's drenched. You don't want to let it grow dry, because all of a sudden then you're going to see that the leaves turn brown and ugly. So you want to make sure that you're on top of watering. You use your index finger to make sure that the soil is either dry or wet. Of course, when it's wet, you don't want to wet it again and water it. So you can see, I'm going to put one that's not been trimmed yet. You can see the difference between the two. You can see how well that one that Alayna has done is really more attractive and has a little bit better shape on it. And trimming it will give it more rejuvenation too. You'll see more flowers coming out as he has done this already. Thank you, Alayna, for doing all the pruning here today. We greatly appreciate it. And I hope you folks can see what a little pruning with your shears can do.